Hi friends, let me show you this new Tubicen dome pendant light that I received for reviewing purposes. It's a really nice option, you'll see. This is the main pendant. You can see it's really beautiful. It's gold and black, and it has this like antique finish. This is the light bulb base. That you put inside. So it looks really nice. You can use a variety of different light bulbs. It is a dimmable lamp, so you can use dimmable light bulbs, okay? And this is the ceiling base. So you can see, you can put it as high as you need it in your home. It's beautiful for a kitchen island, for a living room corner, for an office, anywhere you want to give this kind of antique look with a beautiful black and gold lamp. Let's install it and see how it looks.
Installing this dome pendant light is quick and straightforward, with clear instructions and all the hardware included. The setup is simple and stress-free. The adjustable hanging cable lets you easily set the perfect height, whether for a kitchen island, dining room, or highlighting an art piece. Once that it's installed, the luxurious black and gold and hollow circle shade design makes a striking statement even when they are turned off, and when you are using it with a dimmer switch and dimmable light bulbs, you can set the light from 100% to 10%, allowing you to seamlessly shift between bright illumination to a soft light that is perfect for any mood or occasion.
As you can see, we already installed the pendant lamp here. As you can see, we used a medium length and it looks really nice. Let me turn it on. Now you can see how beautiful it looks. The light that comes out of this lower part, the golden part, I think it's pretty. It gives a nice light, of course, depending on the light bulb that you use. We are not using a dimmable switch, so if you wanted, you could use a dimmable switch and a dimmable light bulb, and you could have a dimmable light in the pendant lamp. So if you want to give a nice look to that special place in your home, in your office, or in your kitchen island, this pendant lamp is a great option. Thank you very much.